When installing surface mount luminaires and stairways, several restrictions from the National Electrical Code and the International Building Code must be considered. NEC Section 410.16a states that luminaires shall not be installed in stairways where they are subject to physical damage. This means the fixture must be protected from impact or other potential hazards. NEC Section 410.16a specifies that luminaires shall be installed so that the bottom of the fixture is not less than 6 feet 6 inches or 1.98 meters above the finished floor or stair tread, whichever is lower. This height requirement helps ensure adequate headroom and prevents accidental contact with the fixture. NEC Section 410.16b requires luminaires to have a diffuser or other means to prevent direct glare. This helps improve visibility and reduces eye strain for people using the stairway. NEC Section 410.16c requires that luminaires shall be listed for use in stairways. The International Building Code, or IBC, also includes requirements for stairway lighting. IBC Section 1014.3.2.1 states that luminaires shall be located or guarded to prevent them from being damaged by traffic. This is similar to the NEC requirement to protect fixtures from physical damage. IBC Section 1014.3.2.2 specifies that luminaires shall be located at least 6 feet 6 inches above the floor or stair tread, whichever is lower, mirroring the NEC height requirement. In addition to these code requirements, there are several other considerations to keep in mind when installing surface mount fixtures in stairways. Firstly, ensure there is adequate clearance for people walking in the stairway. The fixture should not obstruct the path or create a tripping hazard. Secondly, the fixture should be accessible for cleaning and maintenance. Choose a location where the fixture can be easily reached for bulb replacement and other maintenance tasks. Thirdly, if the stairway is subject to vibration, choose a fixture that is vibration resistant. This will help prevent the fixture from becoming damaged or dislodged over time. Finally, consider installing an emergency lighting fixture in the stairway to provide illumination in the event of a power outage. This can help ensure the safety of people using the stairway during an emergency. To summarize, when installing surface mount luminaires in stairways, remember to adhere to NEC Sections 410.16a, 410.16 ATWO, 410.16b, and 410.16c, as well as IBC Sections 1014.3.2.1 and 1014.3.2.2. Also consider clearance, accessibility, vibration resistance, and emergency lighting options to ensure a safe and compliant installation.